For this project, I'm starting with my favorite beading felt, which is good felt from John Bead. I'm also using a selection of Czech glass seed beads and bugle beads, also from John Bead. Cut out a small piece and trace an eye shape. Pour out some black, white, and blue seed beads. Stitch one bead in the center of the pupil. Thread enough black beads to circle the single bead, adding one white bead at the end, and stitch this row of beads around the center bead. Now circle the black beads with 3 rows of light blue beads to create the iris. Next, add rows of white beads on each side to create the sclera. Once these beads are stitched on, surround the eye with rhinestone cup chain. I'm using a 3mm size here. You can either stitch this on or glue it on like I'm doing. The blue evil eye's origins are deeply rooted in ancient beliefs from civilizations like the Sumerians and Greeks, who thought that a malicious glare could cause harm. The blue evil eye amulet emerged in regions like modern-day Turkey and Greece, where blue eyes were historically seen as more likely to bestow the curse. To counteract this, amulets shaped like eyes were created to deflect the evil gaze. Stitch on a row of clear silver-lined seed beads around the rhinestone chain. Carefully cut out the eye, leaving about 1/8 of an inch around the beading. To create the eyelashes, I'm using bugle beads with hot pink seed beads as a stopper at each end. Add a bugle bead and a seed bead to your thread, stitch back through the bugle bead to hold it in place, then back up through the felt for the next lash. Do this all the way around the eye. To finish off the eye and hide the stitching, you can either stitch on another layer of felt or glue on another layer of felt for a clean finish. The blue color is seen as a protective color itself, with deep blue representing protection against fate and turquoise representing protection against accidents and disease. Add a brooch pin or stitch these on to your favorite jacket. Let me know what you think in the comments and if you're going to make one. Plus, you can always just pop in and say hello, because I always love hearing from you. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like The Big Ass Book of Bling, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.